Hi, hello and welcome to MathFam. In this video, I am going to explain about how the logarithms arise and how to convert the exponential form to logarithms, what is the relation between the exponential numbers to logarithms, logarithm formulas, and also solving the problems by using logarithm formulas. So, without wasting the time, let's start. Now just recall all the exponential numbers. So we can write like 2 power 0. This 2 power 0 value is 1 and 2 power 1. 2 power 1 is 2 is 1 times. 2 power 2. 2 square. 2 2 is 4. 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8. And 2 power 4. 16. And like this way we can write this all. So these all are exponential numbers. So here exponent is 2 and 2 is the base. And finally we got the value as 1. So we written all the exponential numbers in this form. So we can convert the exponential form to another form. Those are logarithm forms. The other form of exponential, that is called logarithms. So let us see how to convert the exponential numbers to the logarithm form. So here what I am doing, exponent. Just if you transpose this base, then 0 equals to, so exponential will change it as log 1. So whatever the number we send, that is become as base. Then so what I done, if you change the exponential number, we can take the log form. Now look at see second one, 2 power 1. So now we can change this exponent. Now we can change this base. Then exponent 1 equal to, so exponent is changing, so it is log 2 and base 2. Now same way transpose, then what we get here, 2 equals to log 4 base 2. If you send again this 2, then what we get, 3 equals to, so exponent is changing as log 8 base 2. If you change this, we get 4 equals to log 16 base 2. So here this number is called base. So we can read this as log 1 base 2, log 2 base 2, log 4 base 2. Here all them have base as 2. So by using this, we can write if a power x equals to n. If a power x equals to n, then we can change it as x equals to log n base a. So this is one of the formula of logarithms. If a power x equals to n, then we can write it as x equals to log n base a. Simply whatever we done here, same concept. If you send this base, you can take log n is n as it is, then this become as base. So it is one of the formula. And let us see the remaining formulas of logarithms. Let us see the logarithm formula. The first one, a power x equals to n. So it is an exponential number. To find the exponential number value, we can write as x equals to log n base a. So in the previous examples, we have seen that if it is changed into RHS side, then it becomes as logarithm form. X equals to log n base a. Next second formula, log xy equals to log x plus log y. So if you remember one exponential formula, a power m into a power n. So when the bases are same, exponents are added. So here these are multiplication. If log x into y, then same as log x plus log y. Next, log x by y. Same concept we learned. A power m by a power n. Then exponents are get subtracted. A power m minus n. Same way, when they are in the division, log x minus log y. So next here, log x power m. Log x power m. This m we can change it like this, m log x. Next, log a base a. So when there is 2 are equal, then the value is 1. Next, log 1 value is always a 0, because if you take 2 power 0, that is 1. By using this formula, we can change it as like 0 equals to log 1 base 2. Whatever the base, the log 1 is always 0. The next, log x power n, y power n. Here base also have exponent. So for this, m by n equal log x base y. These both exponents will come forward. M by n log x base y. And the final formula, a power log n base a is n. So whatever the n value, that only we will get. So these are the important logarithm formulas. Based on these formulas, we can solve the exercise 1.5 problems. Now let us solve some problems by using the logarithm formulas. Find the value of the following. So here he given some questions. We have to find the value of them. The first one is log 25 base 5. So by using the previous formulas, first formula we can change it as, so first we can write it as x equals to, let's take it as x equals to log 25 base 5. So it is looking like the first formula, right? So this x equals to log n base a is written as in the form of exponents as a power x equals to n. So by comparing these two, here n is 25 and a is the base, a is 5. So now subtract in this way, a power x, it means what is a? 5. 5 power x equal to n. N is 25. So this 25 is nothing but the 5 square, no? So I am writing 25 as 5 square. So 5 power x equals to 5 square. So here bases are equal. Bases are equal, then obviously exponents are also equal. Then x is equals to 2. Let's see the second example. Here the second one is log 0.01 base 10. This 0.01 we can write in the fractional form in this way. Let's see. Log 1 by 100 base 10. So this 100 nothing but we can again rewrite as a 10 square, right? So it can be written as log 1 by 10 whole square base 10. Whole square means 1 square is only 1. There is no problem with 1. Now if you see, it is looking like one formula. Which formula? Log x power m. Log x power m, that is m log x, whatever the base may be. So by comparing these, what is the x? X is 1 by 10. So x is 1 by 10 and m is the exponent, that is 2. So this term will become as, exponent will come forward, 2 log 1 by 10 base 10. Again this 1 by 10 we can written as 10 power minus 1. So if you write in that way, we get 2 log 10 power minus 1 base 10. Same formula here, x power m. So this will come forward, then it becomes as 2 into minus 1 log 10 base 10. 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. And also here we can see one formula, log a base a. What is the formula? Log a base a, that is 1. Log a base a is 1. So this value is 1. Minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. So value of this log 0.01 base 10 is minus 2. Let's see one more example. 2 square plus log 3 base 2. So it is looking like one formula, a power m plus n. So this you can split as a power m into a power n. So by using this formula, you can split this square into 2 power log 3 base 2. What is 2 square value? 2 square is 4 into 2 log 3 base 2. So here we can use one formula, the last formula which we have written previously, that is a power log n base a, that is n. So both are say similar. If a is 2, log 3, 3 is there in the place of n and the base is 2. So finally this value we got as n. N is here 3. So it is 4 into 3. 4 3 is a 12. So value of this 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2 is 12. So this is the way to use the formulas to solve the problems. Let us solve one more problem. Solve 3 power x equals to 5 power x minus 2. Here solve means we have to find the value of x. Let us see. So here 3 power x equals to 5 power exponents 2. Now I am taking the log on the both sides. If you take on the both sides, there's no problem. Take log on both sides. Then what we get here? Log 3 power x is equals to log 5 power x minus 2. So if you observe, here is one formula, log x power n. What is that? Log x power n is equals to m log x. So by using this formula, you can write it as, so this exponent will become forward. X log 3 equal to, here same, log x power n, exponent will come front. X minus 2 log 5. So it is log 3, x log 3 equals to log 5 into x, x log 5 minus log 5 into 2, it is 2 log 5. Just I am rearranging the terms, writing the RHS terms in the LHS side. We get log x log 5 minus 2 log 5 equals to x log 3. Now transpose x log 3 to the LHS side and 2 log 5 to the RHS side. Why? Because x term, x term. So we are separating, we are writing s side. Then there is no changes in this term. It is x log 5. So when we transpose it, it becomes as minus x log 3 equals to minus 2 log 5. When you are sending, this minus becomes as plus. So it is 2 log 5. So from these two terms, you can take x as common. So let's take x as common. Then x of log 5 minus log 3 equals to 2 log 5. If you transpose this all the terms, what we get? X equals to. So it is with into x. So when we say transpose, it becomes as division. Then we get 2 log 5 by this whole term, log 5 minus log 3. So that is the x value which we want to find, which asked in the question.